Hey, queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. So we are actually doing like a reset in the bathroom, the master bathroom. Here I'm giving you guys pretty much an overall while I'm actually cleaning, but I would not be cleaning on camera today. I pretty much would be doing just more of the styling and decorating. But this is what we looking like, what we working with. Like, I was like, you know what? Let me just go on and film this. Let me go on and film this. Other than just showing you guys the aftermath, I was like, I could just take you guys through it. Because as you all see, look, the tub is full of garment, whatever, trying to clean and decorate all at the same time. I don't know who I think I am, but this year I got to stop doing multitasking type projects. Because, honey, it weighs me out. But we cleared everything out from over the toilet here. So we have a little clean slate here. So I decided want to. But anyway, y'all know what I'm trying to say. I decided that I wanted to put something else over here. And I wanted to glam it up. So you see, I took the shelf and everything down. I patched up holes and all, except one. But I decided to put my mirrors here that I actually got from Ross, I believe. Now, let me tell you guys a little inside. Now, y'all remember when I went and purchased when I found them in Ross, I should have got all 4 of them other than just 3. Because I was like, yeah, what the hell you just going to do with 3? Because, the idea was to put them over my bed, but it just was looking like just too claustrophobic. So that's why I didn't do that. So I had to figure out where I was going to put these in. And I decided to just put them here in the bathroom. So I had to just make sure I squeezed them on over here. And they fit just fine. Look at it, so pretty. I really do like the way how they look over here. Pretty much so I could bring some of the mirror from one side of the room to the other side of the room. And then I also went ahead and added my little poster back up here as well, which I'll give you guys a little bit more details about it. And put some greenery and simple. Now, I am going to fix the toilet paper holder over there, so you'll see that later. Now, on this wall here, I think I mentioned to you guys once before that I was going to do back with the washi tape little geographic look. And that's pretty much what I'm using here. This washi tape came from Amazon, of course. Not doing nothing special or anything like that. Just need a pair of scissors and your washi tape. And you just put any type of lines you want on your wall. And you just go from there. And whatever come out, it come out. Good thing about this, you can take it up and relay it down. So it is forgivable. And it's very pretty. So I did do a last year I did a bathroom. So I will link that video down below so you all can see a little bit more. So let's decorate.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of.
All right, so do you queens and kings remember these towels here? Some came from Walmart, some came from Target. And as you all can see, there are like a 2 different shade type of gold, yellow, mustard, or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to say mustard, but I think I'm going to mention gold later in the video. But I just was trying to figure out which towel that I wanted to go with. That's all it was. It was nothing major. But it's this also my way of pulling the yellow from the bedroom into the bathroom. You guys know how to do. You got to coordinate. You got to coordinate. Where that came from? I bet you don't know that movie. But anyways, let me stop rambling and let you guys continue watching me do what I do. Okay? Like, comment, share, and subscribe if you made it this far and you liking these types of videos. All right, Queens and Kings. So it's another day. I actually didn't get to finish the day that I started doing the closet. Started doing the bathroom. So I decided to come on back on camera and finish it up with you all. And here I'm just basically starting off from where I left it. And that's basically me starting to place the towels and everything. Trying to make sure I'm going to decorate them. Yes, I did not take the tag off. I didn't even take the tag off. That's how you know this is a decorative towel. So you come in this house and you touch that towel, try to draw off with it, you're going to see that paper on it. You're like, oh, wait a minute. No, these ain't that type of towel. No, don't touch the decorative towels in nobody's home, okay? But yeah, anyways, I didn't finish, like I said, ain't no telling why I didn't finish, child. I told you guys, I got to stop trying to do so many things at one time. As you all can see, I got me some glass cleaner now, honey, because, you know, when I did the bedroom, I didn't have no glass cleaner. I had all that little all-purpose from the Dollar Tree that didn't work too well. But anyways, I had to go get me some glass cleaner, and I'm laughing because I'm running my mouth with one of my cousins that always have me going. But this refresh is more of just the, you know, the vibes. You know, it's a new year. You always want to set goals to do something different or whatever, but honey, I wish I could change the whole layout of the bathroom. You hear me? But I can't. So I'm just take what I got and work with it. You guys know I work with a space, honey. Just give me some space and opportunity. And Val go do her thing. Go do my thing. But anyways, I hope you Queens and Kings enjoyed the video. I'm going to stop running my mouth and let you guys keep on watching. Okay, because my camera cut off, so I do apologize. But I'm going to use these little Clorox disinfected wet mopping cloths. I found these at Walmart, and I actually need to do some deep cleaning on this floor here. Because every now and then I'll do it, but I forget. I try to do it every time I clean the bathroom, but I totally forget. After I sweep, honey, I'll be like, child, chunking up the deuces, talk about going to mop. But I'm trying to get into the habit of making that a part of my routine anytime I do clean my bathrooms or clean up, period. Because, you know, I don't have too much of a wooden floor, and this is faux wood. It's not really wood. What do you call it? Laminate floors. I don't know, child. You know, not the real deal Holyfield. But I have to say, these things really do work pretty well. I felt like the floor was real clean. You're going to see the little aftermath of it. It shines all up and everything. So I do recommend these disinfected wet mop cloth. I think that's what the name of them. But once again, you can find them in Walmart. So I felt my floor was real squeaky clean, child. It was so pretty and everything. I ain't wanted nobody to touch it. Don't you touch my floor. See what I mean? Look how pretty that is. It look like real hardwood floor. Hardwood floor. That's what I'm trying to say. Slow down, Val. But yes, I do like it. I recommend it. So you guys go get your hands on them.
Then dip me underway. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. up to the side of my mountain, not until you reach my feet, baby, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Then rock right up to the side of my mountain.
All right, queens and kings, so here's the completed look, the refresh of the bathroom. I think I really do like this. There's something about with the greenery and the gold, but I feel like I did a little too much with the greenery though. But it's just something to try out at the same time. So we got the graphic back on the wall there, the little geometric shape or whatever you want to call it, design or whatever. We got that back on the wall because I feel like there's no need for me to show you guys again. But I do not have some new queens and kings here, so that video you could really see what I was doing in there because I didn't go into all steps and details. Pretty much also in that video you go see how I did the vanity too as well. But yeah, you have to go back watch the full video to get this part of how I did it. But this is how the sink area look. I did some little swap arounds, a little swap-a-roo or whatever you want to call it. So I have the face towels here. These are some DIY candle holders that I pretty much use to put this stuff here, Q-tips, you know, you see what I'm doing. And I brought this night light pretty much back in here. That from Bodyworks. And then I put this paper towel holder here, just put it here so whenever we wash hands, we just grab the paper towel for that. But obviously I need some in there. And I have my bus here. You see I had it up here, but I took it down. I put these up here. I don't know how long I'm gonna let them stay up there. I'll probably just swap that back around because now I'm feeling like I'm not liking it like that. So pretty much that's what I'm gonna do. So I got a bouquet of flowers here, broke it up, put white flowers other than yellow flowers. Pretty much that's the reason why I did that, because I had so much yellow going on. Then I got these little faux flowers here. I think those are from Family Dollars. And I put in this little bling vase. Some jewelry here, some more decorative towels. This little basket here, I think from Ross. And a mirror box down there also. So this is what the bathtub area looking like. Nothing special going on in here. Put some greenery in there. Just put a little vibe. Then I got the drying mat there. Then I have the rug. And I decided to put this little greenery here. Just trying this out. Trying to see how I like it. I don't know what you guys think. It's something different to put there, I would say. But I feel like it's going to get in the way when I'm going in and out the closet. So I don't know. So I most like to probably pull that back out and put it back in the room. But this is one of my prize areas that I do love about this bathroom now. Is basically I put the mirrors here behind the bath. What is it? A toilet. Just to open the area up a little bit more and put some more. Bring some mirror on this side of the wall. You know, it's just to balance off the big mirror behind me. And then I have this poster here. I think it's from Poster Store. It's another poster store you can look online for. I can't think of the name of it. But yeah, so it's just basically like a woman or a man. Cause them hands look manly, but I'm sorry, sitting on the toilet. Reading a cookbook, matter of fact, a dessert book. So yeah. I put my toilet paper holder back up here. Even though I got extra toilet paper over there though, but just something simple. Now I'm going to change out my plates because a lot of you guys said the same thing I said in the video when I did the refresh for the bathroom. Change the plates, paint them or change the plates or paint them. And I'm like, I mentioned that in the video. That was part of the 3% that I wanted to do for the room. But anyway, so I'm going to change those out. I have actually DIY in mind what I'm thinking about doing with them. But yeah, so this is how this area look. This is the floor once again with the rugs. They actually pretty look good on this faux tile or whatever. Oh, I also put the little motion light back up under here. That little light there. So whenever you're coming in the bathroom or whatever, and then I put my knobs back on too. So, but yeah, Queens and Kings, this is the refresh, the update of the bathroom. I like it, but I feel like I did a little overkill with the greenery. So I pretty much probably changed that out, but I think it's this one here though. But yeah, so if you Queens and Kings enjoyed this refresh, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And this queen will see you all on the next one. And remember, your crown mate tilt, but a damn show won't fall. Bye-bye.